Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're making eggs Royale, a firm favourite here at the Fish Society, with our beautiful smoked salmon. You only need a few ingredients for this dish. It's super simple to make. We love it here on our Fridays and we're going to show you how it's done. Okay, so you want to start by melting 125 grams of unsalted butter, and you just want the egg whites, not the yolk. So you just want to pull them apart, and you want 2 of these, trying not to get any shell in like I've just done. So I've got 2 egg whites in there. I'm putting half a tablespoon of white wine vinegar in with it, and then you're just going to whisk that up. Add a little bit of lemon juice and a pinch of seasoning. So you'll start to see the hollandaise sauce start to thicken as you're whisking all the ingredients together. Okay, hollandaise sauce done. I'm just going to set that aside and start on my poached eggs. And there we have it, our beautiful eggs Royale for brunch today. I hope you enjoyed, everyone, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.